Good morning, everyone. We're here in Pasadena, California today doing a roof inspection. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this entire roof and identify the areas where there's problematic issues. The existing roof membrane is no longer adhering to the roof deck. This is problematic because water can eventually penetrate through here. Here, the mastic has cracked over time. The mastic tried to contract and expand and it's cracked. We're at the valleys of the drains. There's a lot of debris and trash on this roof. We'll need to clean off this section right here, clean off all the debris. We're gonna probably tear down this drain back down to this deck and rebuild it back up to allow proper water flow. It's missing a piece of cap sheet right here, so it's no longer waterproof. The parapet wall here has coping metal. The coping metal has joints right here that connect, but it's exposed. We'll need to remove the old mastic and reseal it. Right here by the AC unit, the mastic has cracked. All of the penetrations that are coming through the roof are cracking here. If I can stick in the pen in this area, most likely water should be able to penetrate through here. Let's see, here, here, and here. We've been able to identify a number of issues on this roof to inform the tenants of the problems that they're having here. We recommend that you contact us if you have any roof issues so we can help you identify the problems, provide you our recommendation. It's a free roof inspection. We also recommend that for roofs, you do an annual roof inspection to identify any issues or concerns that your roof may have. This way, it will allow you to protect your building and to prevent any costly leaks or damages into your building. Thank you.